So what do we got here? Owner's manual, instruction manual, more instructions, warnings, don't put it in your mouth, all that kind of stuff. Micro USB cable, extra accessories, some accessories just in case you need it. It goes in the end. Yeah, I never use these, but some attachments that go on the end of this. Getting to the unit itself, it's an endoscope. Cord's kind of flexible. It's stiff enough so that it won't, it'll stay where you put it, but it's not too stiff, I guess. I don't know. On-off button. The blue's for the Wi-Fi and the red is for the power. This dial you can use to adjust your brightness. This is a micro USB for when you charge it. There's a micro USB port for charging it. So, okay, so you want to make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Select the Depstech WF028. The first time you connect with this, it's going to say, do you want to connect with the device? And the password for it is 1234567 So you hit that and you'll be able to connect with it the first time. Every time otherwise, you'll just normally connect. You won't have to enter the password. Okay, so we go back and then we restart the app. Reconnect. Let's start. And there it is. At the controls for the app, you can rotate the image. The second one down is to take pictures. The third one down is the video button to start and stop recording. The fourth one is the folders to view your pictures or your videos. This is the settings button, the bottom one. Go to the different resolutions. Wi-Fi reset button and the channel switch button. Alright, so and this one down here, the arrows, is to switch between views. That's the front camera, the side camera, and you can do dual screen as well. Front camera, the side camera, and dual screen. If you're recording and you want to switch cameras, it'll stop recording and then you have to start recording again. If I'm recording the front camera and I want to switch to the side camera, it stops recording. And then I have to restart the recording again. So just be mindful of that. If you want to switch camera views, it'll stop recording. Then you have to restart the recording. I'm going to go in my bathroom sink. Take a look, see what's going on in here. So the brightness way up so you can see where we're going. That's the front camera. It records in a DCIM folder, I believe it is. And there's a subfolder called Depstech View, I think it is. And all the files are stored there. Alright, so here we're going inside my car engine. We're looking inside of the neck for the windshield wiper reservoir. The windshield wiper reservoir. I've got water in there because I ran out of wiper fluid. I'm going to put wiper fluid back in because it's getting cold and I don't want the water to freeze up. And here we're going inside the I believe it's the air vent. Oh yeah, here's the side camera looking at the same air vent. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You really see what's going on in there. Yeah, I just felt like playing with the dash, playing with the camera, see what it can do. This is I believe I was going inside the upper air vent again, but one of the center vents. That's probably what that is. Yeah, this is the brake rotor. And I just wanted to stick it inside the wheel and see how much brake pads I had left. Yeah, this is. I'm not sure which one this is. This might be the back one. Yeah, this is me going under the valve cover. So that's it's pretty clean in there. 57,000 miles regular oil changes, 5,000 mile oil changes with full synthetic. Yeah, car runs perfectly fine. No gunk, none of that stuff, I maintain my car myself. Yeah, so that's it. That's pretty much it. I like the camera. It's pretty clear. It does a good job. That's all I have to say about it. You know, it's an endoscope, boroscope. Does what it's supposed to do. It connects with the phone, no problem. I have no connectivity issues or anything like that. You know, it's a nice clear image. Does what it's supposed to do. 2 cameras, $69 on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description in case you want to buy it. But I definitely recommend it. It's a really good camera. All right. Thanks for watching.